Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing a topic that's close to many of us, weight management for busy professionals. If you're someone juggling a demanding career and finding it hard to stay fit, then this video is for you. Picture this, you're a busy professional, swamped with deadlines, meetings, and long work hours. Finding time for health and fitness feels impossible, right? But the truth is, weight management isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Without a healthy body, we can't be at our best in our work or personal life. Challenges faced by busy professionals. Let's talk about some of the common challenges professionals like you face when it comes to managing weight. 1. Lack of time. Long work days, constant meetings, and commuting make it hard to carve out time for fitness. 2. Stress and emotional eating. High stress often leads to overeating or making unhealthy food choices. 3. Sedentary lifestyle. Many of us spend our days at a desk, leading to minimal physical movement. 4. Irregular eating habits. Skipping meals or grabbing fast food on the go can wreak havoc on our health. Does any of this sound familiar? Solution 1. Time-efficient workouts. Now, if you're short on time, don't worry. There are effective workouts that fit into your schedule. HIIT, high-intensity interval training, for example, is a great option. Just 20 to 30 minutes of intense exercise can burn fat and boost your metabolism. No gym? No problem. You can do bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, or planks right at home. You can also include more movement during the day, take walking meetings, or use your breaks for quick stretches. Solution 2. Smart nutrition. Let's talk food, because what you eat is just as important as working out. Meal prepping is a lifesaver for busy professionals. Set aside some time on the weekend to prepare healthy meals for the week ahead. Focus on balanced portions and nutrient-rich foods. Keep healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, or yogurt at your desk to avoid junk food cravings. And always remember, mindful eating. Pay attention to what you eat, avoid distractions like work, and enjoy your meal to prevent overeating. Solution 3. Stress management. Stress is one of the biggest roadblocks to weight management, but you can manage it with simple techniques like meditation or breathing exercises. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference in reducing stress. Don't forget to prioritize quality sleep. A good night's rest helps control cravings and keeps you energized for the day. Solution 4. Healthy habits at work. Even at work, there are simple changes you can make. If you sit all day, try a standing desk or take short breaks to stretch or walk around. Also, staying hydrated is key. Drinking enough water helps you stay focused and keeps those unnecessary cravings in check. Final tips for busy professionals. So, even if you're busy, small changes can go a long way. Here are a few final tips. Set realistic, attainable goals. Even 10 to 15 minutes of exercise daily can make a difference. Plan ahead by scheduling workouts and meal prep, just like you would any important meeting. Use technology. Fitness apps can help you track your steps, calories, and workouts effortlessly. These small habits can add up to significant results over time. So, that's it for today's topic, weight management for busy professionals. Remember, prioritizing your health is essential for being more productive, energized, and balanced in your daily life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.